One sunny morning, the bear was wandering in the forest and muttering to himself, "My hat is gone, I want it back." The bear approached the fox and asked, "Have you seen my hat?" The fox replied, "No, I haven't seen your hat." The bear replied, "Okay, thank you anyway," and went on his journey. He then approached the frog and asked, "Have you seen my hat?" The frog replied, "No, I haven't seen any hat around here." The bear replied, "Okay, thank you anyway," and kept on going. Now the bear reached the rabbit and asked the same question. "Have you seen my hat?" The bunny replied, "No, why are you asking me? I haven't seen it. I haven't seen any hats anywhere. I would not steal a hat. Don't ask me any more questions." The bear replied, disappointed, "Okay, thank you anyway." Next, the bear reached the tortoise and asked, "Have you seen my hat?" The tortoise replied, "I haven't seen anything all day. I have been trying to climb this rock." The bear offered, "Would you like me to lift you on top of it?" The tortoise replied, "Yes, please." After the encounter with the tortoise, the bear reached the snake and asked, "Have you seen my hat?" The snake replied, "I saw a hat once. It was blue and round." The bear interrupted in between, "My hat doesn't look like that. Thank you anyway." Next, the bear reached the armadillo and asked the same thing. The armadillo replied, "What is a hat?" The bear said, "Thank you anyway." The bear lay down on the grass. "Nobody has seen my hat. What if I never see it again? What if nobody ever finds it? My poor hat. I miss it so much." As he was laying down on the grass and mourning about his lost hat, a deer approached him and asked, "What's the matter?" The bear replied, "I have lost my hat and nobody has seen it." The deer replied, "What does your hat look like?" The bear started describing his hat. "It is red and pointy and—" Next page. Suddenly, realization hits the bear. "I have seen my hat." He started running away from the other animals to a certain part of the forest. There, as he saw the bunny, he shouted, You stole my hat!" and approached him. Afterwards, he put on his hat and said, "I love my hat." Suddenly, a beaver approached him and asked, "Excuse me, have you seen a rabbit wearing a hat?" The bear replied, "No, why are you asking me? I haven't seen him. I haven't seen any rabbits anywhere. I would not eat a rabbit. Don't ask me any more questions." The beaver replied, "Okay, thank you anyway."